Okay, Victor, so how did you feel about getting the procedure done today?
I felt really good. Tina was the one cleaning my teeth, and she was very, how would I say this, very gentle with my teeth, very careful with my teeth, and overall, I just felt great. The whole experience was nice.
Nice. So what was your initial reaction to getting your teeth cleaned? Were you nervous or how did you feel?
At first, I was nervous because I'm on Invisalign, and my teeth are, they hurt a little bit. But she was very gentle and stuff, so it was no problem at all.
Good, good. Now that you're finished, how do you feel about, your teeth?
I feel great about them actually. I feel my mouth feels clean. I feel like my Invisalign fits better. I don't know. It just really, I feel nice, really great about it.
Nice. Very good. Would you tell others about this office? Would you recommend Maidu Dental to your family or friends?
Yes, I recommend this office to everybody I know. If you're seeing this, you need to come here. This is a place to be.
All right. Well, thank you, Victor, for your speech, and that's it.
Thank you guys.